Stage 2 endometrial cancers. The tumor has invaded the cervical stroma but has not extended beyond the uterus. You can see clearly this is the structure of uterus, this is the part of cervix. This is involved in stage 2A. Stage 2A, that is limited to uterus and cervix. Stage 2A are non-aggressive histological type, that is low-grade endometrioid, cervical stromal invasion without extrauterine spread. You can see as I have enhanced the structure, there is a vessel and lymph node. In stage 2B, there is substantial lymphovascular involvement with or without cervical stromal invasion, but limited to uterus. Substantial mean more than 5 vessels involved. As you can see here, stage 2B, substantial lymphovascular space involvement in stage 2B. Non-aggressive histological type with substantial extensive lymphovascular space invasion regardless of cervical stromal involvement but still confined to uterus. Stage 2C is any myometrial involvement but histology is aggressive. Till 2A, 2B histology was non-aggressive, but in 2C it is aggressive. Stage 2C are aggressive histological types with any myometrial invasion. Aggressive histologies include high-grade endometrioid carcinoma, serous, clear cell carcinosarcoma, undifferentiated, mesonephric, and etc. Stage 2A limited to cervical stroma but not extend outside the uterus. Stage 2B, substantial lymphovascular space involvement means more than or equal to 5 vessels involvement in stage 2B. 2C is any myometrial involvement but histology is aggressive. Stage 1C, aggressive histology without myometrial invasion, and stage 2C is aggressive histology with any myometrial invasion. Stage 2A is cervical stromal invasion, that is non-aggressive, and 2B is substantial lymphovascular space invasion, again that is non-aggressive. Distinction between 1C and 2C is one of the key changes in FIGO 2023 staging system.